Okay, today what I'll be doing is removing the block heater. It's that little unit right there. It's a 36 millimeter. I'm removing it from my parts car. I'm putting it onto my cooking oil powered Mercedes. It is Florida, but in the winter I'm having a little tough time to start. So I get this from Advanced Auto Parts. It's 30, 32, 34, and 36 millimeter. So what I needed was a 36 with an extension, and I got a breaker bar, and I got it from above to loosen it, and then I'm just gonna use the socket to get it off. Okay, so I got it off, and I also got a taste of what antifreeze tastes like. Yeah, it went everywhere. As you can see, it's still leaking. I recommend having a bucket. And if I'm gonna do it again, if I am gonna do it again, I would get a funnel too, because so now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna plug it in, test it. There was some Teflon tape on here from the 80s. And there's the plug. I'm going to plug it in and test it underwater, of course, because I don't want it to you know, burn out. Okay, so I'm testing the block heater. As you can see, it's working. It's bubbling up. It's almost like boiling. And it is heating up this water. Yeah, it's getting very hot now. I can actually feel it. And my fingers are up there holding it under the water. Wow, look at that thing. So hopefully this will keep the antifreeze warm and help with starting it. Alright, time to unplug it.